I know that most construction companies have tech vendors approaching them or industry vendors approaching them with new ways of, skinning the cat, et cetera, et cetera. But internally in a construction company, how should it position itself in order to be able to be innovative while at the same time executing the projects that they have on hand profitably?
Sure. I think a big one is to just kind of think what you're delivering, what kind of value delivering, and try to place like the risk much more at the top of your list in terms of things you care about, in terms of, not just can we do this, can we deliver this process or this product cheaper, but can we reduce the risk of the people that are doing it, or can we prevent ourselves from increasing somebody's risk? And you can often take the same idea and sort of repackage it in a different way such that what may have increased somebody's risk can now decrease it. An example, I'm a structural engineer, and so I have a lot of familiarity with, different structural products, and people try to introduce new ones just the same as they do in any other part of the industry. And, a new product for a new structural product, that is sometimes for the structural engineer of record, that's sort of a difficult pill to swallow, because they have to understand the system. They have to sort of spend extra time reviewing it. They have to kind of learn how it works. They have to be really, really careful when they sort of are detailing it to make sure they don't accidentally, again, mess up some other downstream part of the project. But if you can sort of take your system that you're selling and say, hey, we're going to do this as a deferred submittal, you don't have to do it at all. We will take it and we will stamp it and we will provide the whole design. Now, instead of increasing the structural engineer's risk, you've now decreased it with the same sort of product. And this is becoming fairly standard with, I would say, new building products. It's very hard to sort of introduce one if you're not going to do a deferred submittal for this exact reason.